And guys, good morning. So, I was supposed to be doing a speed session today. Kaso, dun sa second interval, sobrang sumasakit yung ankle ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit eh. Pero, siguro I would like to take the chance na lang to let you know na sabi nga ni Kuya Jobs TV, pag may masakit huwag niyong pilitin, kasi imbis na ipahinga mo ng one day, pag pinilit mo yung one day, baka maging 1 week, maging 1 month, depende sa gravity ng magiging injury. So yun lang guys, make sure pag may masakit to the point na sobrang unbearable siya, huwag nating ipilit, pahinga na muna natin, and then